Hi traders, my name is Peter. This is Trading Kitchen. Welcome to this Monday or better Tuesday overview. I usually do it on Monday, but as I was too busy yesterday and was not in front of my PC now. I'm here, so let's do it now on Tuesday, 20 minutes before US opening. But basically, nothing has changed from past week. I mean, also this week, what I want to do is going uh, short on US indices, okay, uh, and long dollar, okay. Basically, this is what the technical analysis and also the macroeconomical news suggest me. Obviously, everything could change uh, from the political and the macroeconomic point of view in just few days. But if we are looking at the technical analysis, this is what I'm going to do on the uh, multi-day perspective. So for swing trading, basically. Okay. So let's start on Nasdaq, and as you can see, these are all lines I draw last week, and these are all liquidity zones. Okay, so they all are good for us because they give us the possibility to align with the main target, which is, as you can see, short. Okay, if we move on a daily time frame, what we can see is that we are quite close to the historical minimum here. So what we can suppose that inside this zone we'll probably have a strong movement up. Okay. Uh, to be honest, what I try to do is waiting for a clear change of structure, change of character, as you want to call it. But anyway, I want to see also in the highest time frame. What I want to see is a clear movement and a liquidity grab. Sorry. Uh, so after a strong downtrend, price need to be, slower. Okay, I want to see price build something possibly below the minimum. Then I want to see a strong selling climax to grab the liquidity here, and then a new high and a retracement. This is what I'm looking for basically on the technical point of view. Obviously, on the flow, the footprint chart, these kind of things are so much more clearer. But on the Japanese, using Japanese candle, what I want to see is basically like this, also using line graph. Okay. So this is what I want to see here. Okay. If this is our minimum, so basically this one, I want to see something here. Okay. But I prefer waiting for the price to move below minimum. Okay. Until that time, so we move back on the 50-minute time frame. What I want to see until the time we are short again and again. Okay. So these are all the zones in which I want to, I can align with the main trend. Obviously, this is a good zone, probably the last one that I will do consider for a short. Okay, why I tell you this? Because uh, for the first thing, we are, as I told you, close to this minimum on a daily time frame. And then if I see a clear breaking of the structure, and if price start to build something, okay, above this liquidity zones here, okay, probably we are quite uh, uh, close to reversal. Okay, so in that case, price will probably going to take liquidity over here to change definitely the trend. Okay, this is what I want to. This is what I want to see, and basically, this is my view on the Nasdaq and S&P as well. Obviously, here we have a supply. Okay, so we have to be careful basically on the supply, and this is a basically a volume zone in which we have a liquidity here, a break of this structure here. Okay, so the easiest thing we can think about is waiting for the price to retest and keep going down. Okay, on the long-term perspective, but be very careful to all the zones in which with these long tails is quite good to think about liquidity. Okay, so let's move on dollar. So we want to buy dollar. So IUD USD is short. This is the zone in which I expect for the price to reach to align with the main trend for the first time. Okay, so probably this is what uh, I want to wait. So here I'm going short, and yeah, also this one could be good. Okay, we have another huge liquidity over here. This is a strong liquidity area. Okay. Okay, as you can see, this is low, the Asian range. This is, as I told you, the point of control of this area, and this is the high of the value area of this zone. So lots of confluences, and we have another liquidity double top here, as you can see. So every time I see a double top, and in this case 1 2 3, so much more powerful as a signal. So if I see this kind of confirmation, means that over here there are unmitigated orders. Okay, so and here we have an imbalance. So as you can see, not you can't see anything here on the left, on the right of this candle means that inside here we have strong volumes that probably are unmitigated yet. So means that if price will come back here, will probably mitigate. Okay, so this is what I want to see. Same thing on GBPUs. I'm going quick, as quick as possible. This is the liquidity grab that we have. Sorry, the liquidity zone that I'm waiting for, because I fear much more confirmations. So this, for example, this liquidity, this volume area, and on this one, as you can see. And obviously the last one will be here, okay, uh, on the top of this aging session. Okay, same story here. We have a supply zone, and here, as you can see, we probably have liquidity that needs to be taken. Okay, NZD USD. To be honest, this is what the signal for today on the intraday perspective. But yeah, to be honest, as I saw price broke in this area, okay, broke in this structure, I just wait for a retest. So above here, I entered with half size. Now I'm just a little bit in profit, but here we have liquidity. So to be honest, I suppose the price will probably going at least here before going down. It will be better, to be honest, as the first analysis. It will be better if well reach the zone, grab the liquidity over here, so I can enter with the other half size. What about the last one? Could be USDCAD, same story, but obviously on the opposite way. Um, Here I didn't enter just because they want to risk on the same side, basically. So I only I just want to going short on NZD, and it's enough for me for today. But anyway, I expected for the price to go in here, but I like NZD. This is what price do. So broke the structure, retested, and now probably it will go up. It will go up, but if not, good sign. I mean, this could be a very good zone from which we can enter to align with the main trend. Okay. Uh, what about target? Well, on the technical point of view, I don't know. I mean, basically, we are on the max for a long time, but as you can see, yeah, sorry, this is the first zone, okay, that we can consider, and this is another uh, imbalance, okay, that is inefficiency that begins. So what does it mean? That this could be the first target. So to be honest, for this week, that's the reason why for this week I don't see on the technical point of view any change, and so we keep on going long on USD and short on US indices. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. So now US is opening, um, 3 minutes. But anyway, thank you very much. I hope you like this kind of multi-time frame analysis. Let me know what you think about using the comment section below. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. See you the next week.